Hey guys, I have decided to do another design team project, and simply because I fell in love with the kit. This is a boho inspired kit made by Melody Made. Of course I will do a junk journal with it, or boho journal, let's say. But you get this sheet of tags, and it's 2 different sizes. And then you get these smaller tags, little circles in an envelope. And then you get this larger envelope, which I would really like to I'm probably going to make several of these envelopes. Next you have the pages. And she is calling it Authentic Soul. And I just love it. It's done with her mixed medias. But I just think it's beautiful, and the camera is not really picking up the colors very well. So there's one, and this is not a watermark. I thought it was a watermark on it, and I called her. Well, I texted her, and I said, how do I get the watermark off? But she said she's calling the journal Authentic Soul, and so she put it across the page, some of the pages. I love this. I think this is my favorite page. And here's another one that also has the Authentic Soul all over it. I printed it out on white copy paper first. I'm going to go back and try to print it on coffee dyed paper, simply because I'm not a fan of white backs. I could have done it two-sided, but I wanted more pages, and I could still go back and copy some of my favorite pages on the backs. I'll play with it and see what I'm going to do. I did it on white first because I'm also going to cover a box with it. I'm going to decoupage a box with it and then put Solae inside it. I just think it's gorgeous. I like this page a lot too. And yes, I still haven't painted my other hand. I'm going to do that tonight, y'all. I'm doing all these videos in one day. I love this. I love how she inked these different color leaves. This is really pretty. This could also go in a floral journal, to be honest with you. Now, I like this one. Several of them are my favorites. I really love this one because it's got pink. A lot of pink. I love how vibrant these feathers came out. And then this page. So I'm going to do several projects with it, I hope. I'm going to do my best to do several projects with it. And now I'm going to have all my pages out of order that I already had in the order I wanted to use them, but that's okay. And I had started and printed it smaller. And I had started, these were going to be pockets on this side, but now I think I'm going to do it on a different color to see if it messes up the vibrancy of this. I'll figure out something else. But I like the vibrance, and I don't want the tea dyed or coffee dyed paper to mess that up. So I'll play with it, and you'll get to see, and at least I have 3 projects in mind already, so you get to see in at least 3 videos what I do with it. Okay guys, stay tuned. This is going to be something I'll be working on throughout July, and I also want to work on a red, white, and blue journal for the month of July. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.